Hi everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare delicious coleslaw. These are ingredients. We have here 250 grams of cabbage, we have medium carrot, 2 green onions, handful of parsley, 4 radishes, a piece of cucumber, half lime, and we have delicious olive oil and some salt. Okay, let's begin. First, we slice our cabbage. So let's put it flat side down, so it will be comfortable to cut it. And slice it. Like this. Now we add some salt. And we will work with our cabbage like this way, squeezing or crushing until it releases juices for about 1 minute. Now cabbage changed its texture, and we continue with other veggies. So we wait. Now we cut onion, green onions. Now we cut parsley. You can chop it finely if you want. Now we cut radish. As for cucumber, you can cut it any way you like. I will cut it like for sushi, so this way, because I think it will be nice, and we will get rid of seeds. So these are seeds, and for sushi you will cut this way, yeah? But I will cut across because it's for salad. Now we add lime juice. And that's it. Now we will add olive oil to your taste. I like a lot, so maybe you will use less. And mix it well. Look, it's very nice and it's beautiful and it smells delicious. This salad, these ingredients we used, it's like about for 2 big portions, maybe 4 normal portions and 2 very big ones. And this is the salad. Beautiful, healthy and delicious. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Bye bye and bon appetit.